Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a growth investment portfolio with Northern Trust, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your investment goals. Assess your risk tolerance to understand. Research different asset classes, such as equities, fixed income, and alternatives. Consider diversifying your portfolio across various sectors. Open an investment account with Northern Trust. Gather necessary documents like identification and financial statements. Use Northern Trust's online platform to create a profile. Explore their investment options and strategies suitable for your goals. Allocate a percentage of your portfolio to each asset class based on your risk tolerance. Select specific investments within those asset classes. Utilize Northern Trust's research tools to analyze potential investments. Review historical performance and fees associated with each investment option. Construct your portfolio based on your allocation plan. Plan to rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Consider consulting with a financial advisor at Northern Trust for personalized guidance. Keep track of market trends and economic indicators that may affect your investments. Regularly review your portfolio's performance against your investment goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy if your financial situation or market conditions change. Stay committed to your long-term investment strategy to achieve growth. Educate yourself continuously about investment principles and market dynamics. Take advantage of Northern Trust's educational resources for ongoing learning. Remain patient, as growth investing often requires a long-term perspective. Celebrate your milestones and stay focused on your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.